coast to Mallacoota. The sun is blazing high, the mouth breathes warm and easy beneath the bright blue coastal sky. From Bastion Point to Betka Beach, where turquoise waters meet, the sandy shores and ocean calls with golden summer heat. Oh, Mallacoota, how you change beneath the endless sky. Through sun and rain, through calm and storm, the seasons drifting by. From summer's gold to winter's chill, we find our way back home. In Mallacouta's rugged heart, wherever we may roam. March paints the hillsides green and bright with the soft autumn glow. Captain Stevenson's point looks down where the winding waters flow. In the narrow's quiet cradle, top lake mirrors soft and still. As autumn leaves fall slow and free beneath the old hills will. Oh, Mallacoota, how you change beneath the endless sky. Through sun and rain, through calm and storm, the seasons drifting by. From autumn's hues to winter's chill, we find our way back home. In Mallacouta's rugged heart, wherever we may roam. Winter winds at Betka blow, the morning's misty gray. Secret beach lies wrapped in fog, where the rocky cliffs give way. Down Silk Creek the sands stretch wide, and the world is hushed and bare, with only waves and seagulls' cries to fill the frigid air. Oh, Mallacoota, how you change beneath the endless sky. Through sun and rain, through calm and storm, the seasons drifting by. From winter's cold to springtime's bloom, we find our way back home. In Mallacouta's rugged heart, wherever we may roam. Spring calls and lit, comes alive with sunset's channel fire. Main beach stretches wide and bright, the waves a warm desire. Flowers bloom on coastal trails, and the birds return to sing. In the tender light of dawning days, we feel the breath of spring. Oh, Mallacoota, how you change beneath the endless sky. Through sun and rain, through calm and storm, the seasons drifting by. From spring's embrace to summer's gold, we find our way back home. In Mallacouta's rugged heart, wherever we may roam. So here we stand in Mallacoota, where the seasons rise and fall. With every tide and every breeze, we answer nature's call. For in this place our spirits rest, where the wild meets the sea. Mallacouta's fourfold dance, forever wild and free.